Well, it's sun outside, but if you're living in an apartment, so how these birdies can enjoy the sun? Let's find some solution. Well, here we have a perch and sun also luckily. So we can use this old perch. Once upon a time it was a very good perch, but look what my birds did with this poor perch by chewing it all the way. Son is going to sit down on his old perch after a long time. Let's see what he gonna do. Sonic, do you recognize it? Hmm? It's a winter, so Sonic needs some sun. He is doing his favorite work. Why are you chewing your perch? Huh? Look. How are you gonna sit down? Look. This naughty boy. He left the perch and he is here. You want to sit down with me? Huh? Sonic?